In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a GIF in Framer using the best method. Whether you're a designer looking to make your website more dynamic, or simply love the flair a GIF can add, this guide will walk you through it efficiently. So, let's dive into this simple yet effective process. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the Framer website. Framer is a popular no-code website builder, praised not only for its ease of use, but also for the professional-grade websites it helps create. Once on the home page, you'll find the Login button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will prompt you to sign in to your existing Framer account. Or, if you don't have one yet, you'll have the opportunity to create a new account. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to the Framer home. This is essentially your dashboard, and it's where all your active projects are stored. You should feel right at home here if you've used Framer before. But even if you're new, it's intuitive and user-friendly. Browse through your projects and click on the one you wish to edit. Selecting the right project is crucial, as this is where your GIF will make its debut. Now that you're inside your chosen project, look for the Media option. It should be clearly marked on your project's interface. Clicking on Media opens various media options that can be integrated into your project. You're specifically looking for the GIF option. Once you spot it, give it a click. This brings up a new window or panel where you can either upload a GIF from your device or possibly choose from a library of pre-made options. If you're uploading your own, ensure that the file is appropriately sized and that it matches the aesthetic of the rest of your project. Adding a GIF is as simple as selecting your file and watching it seamlessly embed itself into your design space. After adding your GIF, you can adjust its placement within your project. Framer allows for easy drag-and-drop functionality, meaning you can fine-tune the positioning to fit the layout perfectly. If needed, you can also adjust the size and other parameters. This ensures that your GIF doesn't just sit on your website, but enhances it. Congratulations! You've now successfully added a GIF to your project in Framer. Be sure to preview your work to make sure everything flows correctly and looks spot on. Once you're satisfied with the placement and presentation, your project will be ready for the world to see. I hope you found this guide helpful. Integrating GIFs can truly elevate your website by adding a touch of animation and excitement. If you liked what you saw today, consider exploring more options with Framer to discover the full potential of your creativity. Happy designing!